So what actually transpired that the British soldiers were marching up the Bridle Passage in their big bright red coats. We the Maroons stand right at the wayside in the art of ambushing camouflage. Now when they pass, we take the one from the back. But it's not like they didn't see us, they saw us. But what did they see? They saw the jungle came to life and took away their soldier, never to see him again. So we had to defend ourselves against these dogs. Some of them were killed, but some was captured and later tamed and used to defend our territories. Now this is why we have these dogs here today, as a part of our society, or part of our country. Because they do play a vital role in our everyday life as security and all of that.
Past, present, and future.
All right? So we take from our ancestors, we maintain and sustain it. This is what the body means, we maintain and sustain whatever we get from the past and keep it and pass it down to the future kids. So we say we are now going back into the past to take something from the past in which we can use for our ways or means of survival for the future. And that is our rich, diverse culture. All right?
Now the sounds of the drum isn't just music, it's a message. When the Maroons of Jamaica beats their drums, they're not just performing, they're calling on the actual ancestors.